Have you ever looked at someone else's life and thought, she's got it all figured out? Why can't I be like her? That's what Neha used to think, every single day. Neha was a 20-year-old college girl with big dreams. She wanted to become a journalist, but life wasn't easy. Her family didn't have much money. Her clothes were simple, and her phone was old and cracked. Whenever she saw her friends wearing nice outfits or going out for coffee, she smiled on the outside, but inside, she felt small. One afternoon, Neha sat in the college library, staring at her notebook. Her teacher had just announced a writing competition. Write a story that inspires people. Everyone seemed excited, except Neha. She thought, who would care about my story? I don't have anything special to say. But that night, as she walked home, something changed. Outside the small grocery shop, she saw a little girl selling flowers in the cold. Her dress was torn, her hands were dirty, but she was smiling, offering flowers to everyone who passed by. Neha stopped and asked, "Aren't you tired, little one?" The girl said, "Yes, but my mom will smile when I bring home money. That makes it okay." Those words hit her heart like a wave. That night, she couldn't stop thinking about the girl, small, brave, and full of light even in struggle. So Neha opened her notebook and began to write, not about fame or success, but about strength, kindness, and hope. She wrote about the flower girl who smiled through pain and how real beauty comes from the heart, not what you wear or own. Days later, the competition results came out. Neha didn't expect much, but when her teacher announced the winner, Neha Sharma, for her story, The Girl with the Flowers, the class clapped. Neha froze, her heart racing. She walked up slowly, hands trembling, and accepted her certificate with tears in her eyes. After the ceremony, one of her classmates came up and said, "Your story made me cry. I needed to hear that." And that's when Neha realized, sometimes the smallest story can touch the biggest hearts. From that day on, she stopped comparing her life to others. She started writing more, not to impress people, but to express herself. Her words carried truth, warmth, and courage. And little by little, she began to believe in her own voice. Because the truth is, you don't have to be rich, famous, or perfect to make a difference. You just need to be real, to show your light, even when life feels dark. Moral: your story, your struggle, your heart, they are your power. Never hide them. If you like this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English stories like this one. See you in the next story. Stay kind, stay peaceful, and keep learning. Vocabulary Corner. Competition. Meaning, a contest to find the best. Example, she joined a writing competition at college. Trembling. Meaning, shaking slightly. Example, her hands were trembling when she received the prize. Struggle. Meaning, a hard time or challenge. Example, the little girl smiled through her struggle. Courage. Meaning, being brave when things are hard. Example, Neha's courage grew with every story she wrote.